Hello, awesome people. How are you? I hope you are well and I hope you will be fine. So, viewers, in this video, you will get Christmas gift ideas for you, your friends, your relative, your neighbor, and I hope you enjoying today's video. So, please must subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video your friends. I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please must subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get daily updates my channel. Viewers, this is ideas video for you. If you don't have any idea about this video, so you can easily get idea from this video. I hope you are enjoying today's video. Maybe you can get that ideas from this video. You are not looking for anywhere. So viewers, what kind of content do you wanna see in my next video? Please must tell me. We will try to fulfill your request. If you want to see much more content like this video from my channel, so please must tell us and give you precious opinion about my channel. If you want to see anything else on this channel, then let me know and I will fulfill your request. Increase video quality will make it easier for you to watch, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any comments about this video or channel, keep loving my channel like this. Please comments. You will surely like today's ideas. As you can see, this ideas is very beautiful, very attractive. I hope you are enjoying today's video. So please must subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video your friends. These ideas are in trending nowadays. I hope you are like these ideas. Tell me what you think of these ideas so I can do better in the next video. So viewers, I request you, if you want to see anything else on this channel, then let me know and I will fulfill your request. I hope you are well. Take care of it with some new collection.